This 2023 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36A is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 17 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 3, refrigerator, external shower, stove top burner, smoke detector, LP detector, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, Colorado detector, air conditioning, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front bath, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36A is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.